Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now we got something special today. As you can see right here, we got this beautiful titanium exhaust. Okay, this is for your Z51 Corvette. We got OEM actuators. Okay, that way we don't have to chop nothing. Your regular actuator will plug right in, no problem. We put the black tips on it. Now this is something we're going to be carrying. If it pans out, we're doing a little testing of this. We're linked up with a manufacturer and we should be able to offer this if everything works out great. We don't want to put nothing out there that's a pile of junk. So we got with a manufacturer, they send us out this. We're going to test fit it, we're going to road test it, take it to the track, see how it holds up. If it holds up good, in a couple of months, then we're going to be offering this on our website. And you'll be able to purchase it. It's going to be substantially less than all the competitors out there. So, and you get OEM actuators, the whole works. This is a bolt-on. It comes with Cadillac converters as well. If you want to do a cat delete, we are not doing a cat delete, but it will come with a cat delete as well with your the O2 sensor port. But just take a look at that. I mean, my Lord, titanium is amazing, you know, and the stuff, it's like paper. Okay, paper. Ooh, yeah, it's like paper. That was just the hangers. You're all right. So we're just waiting for the customer to show up, and then we'll go from there. You'll see what we're working with. Stay tuned. Change that stock quiet exhaust out. All right, so we're gonna start by doing a sound comparison. All right, we're gonna see stock versus the new titanium. The best mic I've got to pick that up is our iPhone here, so let's crank her up. Alright, so we'll see how that goes with the new titanium, and stay tuned. I'm going to start by removing all the access panels in the back and getting it jacked up, getting the wheels off. Alright, now you got all your torque bits out, we can take our liner out. And there you go. And now we got to get that cover all around there. Alright, we're just going around. There's a million of them. Make sure you got yourself one of those. And now let's see what's behind door number 2. So we need to get up here. That's why you got to take this access cover off. We got to get in there. So there's 10mm bolts here on both sides, and you can pull those out. You need to take those boots out. Get stuck on. All right, now that we get bolts out from the back, we're gonna finagle this thing out. You got a connector up there, and now we can work it easily, not so easily, out of here. The best thing we could tell you is if yours has not come out before, you're gonna be dealing with all kinds of connectors. You're gonna have to deal with it, figure out how to not break them, but they're all over the back side of this airbox. Oh, pull this dang box out of there, Jesus criminy. So look at all these clips. This is going to be your problem. They pretty much all broke. Nobody's been in this one before. I mean, every little thing has been broken, so we'll figure that out. You're gonna have to deal with it. On to the next one. So as you can see, we got it up on jack stands. Got the bumper off, not too bad. A lot of torques. You got one that sticks up in here. Here you go, it's a nut, you got to get that. Just a couple bolts, the bumper comes off, and onward and upward. Just like that. About 1,000 pounds worth of muffler here. Jesus criminy, should be an outlaw. One thing you guys are gonna want to do when you're going back together, we're gonna use these blacked out heat shields. So you're gonna have exposed tips and stuff, and you don't want that shiny reflective stuff. So get yourself the blacked out heat shields there. So we had to take a break. Oh, ice cream truck. Come through with the soft serve. All right, just another update. We haven't been videoing. It's kind of a pain. Let me crawl under here. You'll see it's looking good. You just gotta align every freaking thing, but look at that thing, looking sharp. All right, next video will be startup. We gotta put the air box in yet. We gotta save y'all from a bunch of cuss words, but it's looking fancy in there too. So next video, startup. Hang tight. All right guys, so everything is installed. It's looking hot. We're gonna do the switch to the camera here and do a remote start. This is the first startup for us too. We're gonna hear it the first time. So let her rip. That sounds amazing, guys. I mean, look at that titanium. So that's gonna end our video. You got the original.
No check engine lights.
No check engine lights. All the actuators work. Check out the inside of this fucking beauty. Everything. So that's gonna end the video. We're gonna see how this is. If you guys are interested in an exhaust like that, we might have it available. We'll see how many people are interested. We're gonna test it and give it its trial, but I just want to walk the car out so you guys get to see it one last time. Man, black on black, man. You can't complain, but there's the finished product. So we'll walk them out right now. There it goes. Till the next one.